Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss some important questions based on assertion and reason for class 12 physics. So let us now start with question number 1. There are four options A, B, C and D. You have to read the options very carefully. Thereafter you will have to read assertion and reason. So question number 1, assertion is given as an AC generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction, and the reason is the direction of current gets reversed after regular intervals of time, and hence the current is called alternating current. First of all, you have to decide what about the assertions, is it right or wrong. Assertion is right and the reason is also right, but the explanation of assertion given in the reason is not correct. So we will have to select the correct answer as option B. Both A and R, that is assertion and reason, are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Now question number 2. Assertion: the electric field around an isolated point charge is symmetric in magnitude, and the reason is due to a point charge, electric lines of force are parallel and equidistant. Now we have to find the correct answer. So here it is option C. A is true but R is false. Means assertion is right and reason is false. Question 3. Assertion: the fuse wire used in electrical circuits should have high resistance but low melting point. And the reason is fuse wire is used to allow only a very small current to flow through itself. So now we have to find out the correct answer from A, B, C and D. Here your correct answer is option C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Now the next question, number 4. Assertion: the resistivity of a semiconductor decreases with rise in temperature, and the reason is the atoms of semiconductor vibrate with larger amplitude at higher temperature, thereby reducing its resistivity. Now your correct answer, option D. A is false and R is also false. Now assertion and reason number 2. Once again you will see there are four options A, B, C and D. Out of these four options you have to select correct one. So let us try to understand what is given in the assertion. The kinetic energy of an electric dipole placed with its dipole moment along the direction of a non-uniform electric field continuously changes, and the reason is given as an electric dipole with dipole moment along a non-uniform electric field experiences zero torque but a net non-zero force. So first of all you decide what about the assertion, is it right or wrong, and then you find the reason. The correct answer here it is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. So here your correct answer will be A. Now the next question. Assertion is: unlike electric and gravitational forces, nuclear forces are short range forces, and the reason is nuclear forces do not obey inverse square law. Now you select the correct answer is B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Next one is assertion: light incident perpendicular to the surface of separation of two media does not deviate from its path. And the reason is the light always follows a path along which the time taken to traverse is the least. Here your correct answer is A. Both A and R are true, and reason, that is R, is the correct explanation of A. Next, question number 4. Assertion. Silicon, a semiconductor, has more conductivity than carbon, and its reason is the valence electrons in carbon atom are loosely bound to the nucleus than the valence electrons in silicon. Now try to get the correct answer. Your correct answer is C. Assertion is true, but reason R is false. Next, assertion and reason part 3. Okay, in this part, question number 1, assertion. The power loss associated with a pure capacitive AC circuit over a complete cycle is 0, and its reason is no current flows through a pure capacitive AC circuit. Correct answer. Option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Next, assertion. The frequencies of incident, reflected and refracted beam of monochromatic light incident on the surface separating two media are same, and its reason, the waves incident on the interface sets the surface molecules with its own frequency, which in turn emits the reflected and refracted waves with the frequency of the oscillator. Correct answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Next one, question number 3. The energy released per unit mass in a nuclear fusion reaction is much larger than that in a nuclear fission reaction, although about 200 mega electron volt energy is released per fission and a much smaller amount in a proton-proton fusion cycle, and its reason is given as the reacting mass in a proton-proton fusion cycle is much smaller than that involved in fission. Correct answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Next question, question number 4. Assertion. An increase in doping level in a semiconductor helps to attain a desired increase in conductivity in a semiconductor, and its reason, every dopant atom added can provide an additional charge carrier in the doped semiconductor. Correct answer A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. So in this way we have come to an end. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.